What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Luis, and on today's video, guys, I'm going to be installing a brand new rear valance that I got for the Mustang. This is probably going to be the last exterior mod that I did to the Mustang. Well, I still have to redo the roof, but honestly, I'm going to wait on that. It looks pretty good, but other than that, let me show y'all the new valance that I got for the Mustang. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Alright, so So this is what it looks like, guys. It's the California Special rear valance that I got from American Muscle. I was gonna go with one that was called MMD, but American Muscle discontinued that one, so I went with this one instead. So let me get everything ready so we can get started on this install. All right, guys, so what you're gonna have to do is remove these screws right here. Focus. 1, 2, and 3 in this little clip right there. And then you want to come inside and remove this little tab right here, this one as well, and there should be a screw holding onto the tail light so you can remove it off. Alright, guys, so the bumper's off, as you can tell. What I'm going to do next is there's a little guideline right here, and I'm going to cut all that off from this end all the way to the other end. It goes over here. And I'm also going to be cutting these little parts right here, the little insert tabs, so I can actually insert the new valance on there. And then, yeah, guys, so let me go ahead and cut this up and I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, the cutting is complete, so let me go ahead and put that valance on and see what it looks like on the bumper. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like now, and this completes the rear end of the Mustang and pretty much is all the exterior mods. So yeah guys, look at that, looks really nice. All that's left to do is redo the roof. Like I said, probably gonna do a gloss black. Yep, so that'll be done probably within the next month or so. I'm not in a rush to do that, but yeah guys, this is gonna be the end of the video guys, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.